In this video, I will show you how to use QB² and walk you through a few question types. Once you have the spreadsheet set up, it's ready for use. You can start by adding categories by clicking on the Categories tab. These are the categories used to organize your questions in the Moodle Question Bank. To create subcategories, you can type in a / followed by the subcategory name. Now you can go to the Question Bank tab where you will fill in your questions. Here you will see the categories you just filled out will populate in the Categories dropdown. Let me show you a few examples on how to set up these questions. We can now select a category and select a question type. These are the question types that QB² supports. Let's select multiple choice and type in our question. We can put our answer options in the answer columns. For the correct answer, set the value to 100. For partial credit, you can set the value to another number less than 100. For true and false, you will see by selecting true/false, it will automatically populate the answer options and gray out the cells that you don't need to use. So we're going to set true to 0 and false to 100. For ordering, you will put the answer options in the answer cells, but they don't need values. Place the answer options in the correct order. The answers will be shuffled when imported into Moodle. For an essay question, all you have to do is write out the question. For drag and drop, this question type allows you to have blanks within the sentence and drop-downs with answer options to choose from for each blank. For the first blank, we will identify it by using 2 open square brackets, the number 1, and 2 closing square brackets. For the second blank, we will do the same but use the number 2. For the first blank in the sentence, we will identify the correct answer by making it the first answer option and mark it for group 1. Now we can write out the other answer options for group 1, which will appear all in the same drop-down list. For the second blank, we also want to place the correct answer first and assign it to group 2, and follow it up by the other answer options for the same drop-down. One thing that's good to know is that for all the question types that have answer options, these answers will be set to shuffle by default once imported into Moodle. And now your questions are ready to import.